Yes, sir, we ready. And as you guys can see, we got the guns up on this wall right there, bang. We got the guns over here, kapang. And we got some more motherfucking guns down there. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with this Beretta, kabang. Nice motherfucking shiny ass Beretta. Put that on the right side. And we gonna grab this little, look like a 1911. I don't know. We gonna grab the little Glockiana. It look like a little G18. Bop, we gonna hit it for the 10mm or whatever. And we gonna test this bad boy out. For y'all ask, yes, this is a voiceover. Alright? Alright, now we gonna try this nice little shiny ass Beretta, man. Let's get it. I just realized I didn't even pull a pin, so I tried to grab another one. And I couldn't grab it with my right goddamn hand, so I grabbed it with the left, pull a pin, and I yeet that bitch across the goddamn town. Alright, now we got the 1911, man. That's the shots from the little Beretta, but now we gonna hit the shots with the 1911. You gonna see what's up. And let's see what we did with the 1911. Alright, not bad. One little miss. Now we're gonna head over here. We're gonna grab this nice little FN. Look like a FN. You know what I'm saying? If it look like whatever it look like, I'm gonna just say whatever it is. Not this little bullshit tech now. We're gonna grab that later. Little double barrel shotty. Then we grab it. Yeah, put that back. Let's go see what this let's go see what that Techiana about. Alright, now let's see how we did. Okay, not bad, but you know, I don't really like the goddamn tech like that. Now we're gonna see what's up with this FN. Ooh, that FN shoot like a charm, baby. I love that gun right there, man. I got the shotty. Ooh, I was aiming for all head taps. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. But now we about to see what's up with that big shotty. I just love to reload on that goddamn motherfucker thing. Let's see how we did though. Little head tap, he's gone. Either way, and whatever he got shot at in there, he's gone. Yeah. Alright, now we about to see the results with this AR-15. I forgot, I'm not sure how far I put it, but we're gonna see when we get back. Aha, so I did put it on 40 and not 60. Okay. Look at that. Head tie. I missed like 1, 2, 3. I missed like 3. Now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna throw a little attachment on it. AR-15. Not sure if I can keep it up or back, but yeah, I like them on forward. Know what I'm saying? We're gonna grab this little foregrip, whatever you wanna call that. I hit this bad boy for 60, so we gonna see, yeah, that's 60 right there. We gonna see. America! Fuck yeah! See, I did put it on 60. Now let's see how we do. Let's see how we do. Okay, not bad. That's not bad. Overall, he's gone. Cap cut. Biatch!